In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic overlay chart in Excel. We're going to build a chart that not only combines different types of data in one view, but also updates automatically whenever you add new rows to your data set. This is a really useful technique when you want to compare values like actual results versus targets while keeping your chart flexible and easy to maintain. To begin, open your Excel file and locate the dataset you want to use. Before creating the chart, the first important step is to convert that data into an Excel table. This is what makes the chart dynamic. Select your full dataset, then press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the table range. Make sure the option that says My Table Has Headers is checked, then click OK. Once your data is formatted as a table, Excel can automatically recognize new entries you add later. Next, insert the chart. Click any cell inside the table so Excel knows which data source to use. Then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From there, look for the Combo Chart option and choose the Clustered Column and Line Chart combo. This chart type is great for overlay style reporting because it allows one set of values to appear as columns and another to appear as a line, making comparisons much easier to read at a glance. After the chart is inserted, you'll already have the foundation of a dynamic overlay chart. The key advantage here is that the chart is linked to the table, not just to a fixed range of cells. That means you can test the dynamic behavior right away by entering new data under each of your existing column headers. Add a new row with fresh values, and you should see the chart update automatically without needing to manually adjust the chart range. This works because Excel tables expand as new data is entered. Since the chart is built from that table, any new row becomes part of the chart instantly. It's a simple setup, but it can save a lot of time, especially if you update reports regularly or share dashboards with others. Excel creates this kind of dynamic overlay chart by combining multiple data series, such as actual and target values, into one visual. Using a combo chart makes the comparison clearer, and storing the source data in a table keeps everything responsive as your data set grows. And that's it. You now know how to create a dynamic overlay chart in Excel that updates automatically as new data is added.